You know what time it is? Mexico time. Go check out my video Mexico 2017 in the description. Here we go, guys. It is updated. Oh, I'm so pumped. Okay, this looks a little bit like last year besides the Halloween sign, which is not there. Or, sorry, 2017. So a lot of this stuff was not here. I wonder what the music's gonna sound like. Oh, it's the same as last, or 2 years ago. Welcome to Mexico. Happy Halloween, surfers. Explore the haunted subway of Mexico. Special Halloween sale. Unlock the cool Halloween surfers and boards. Dress up your surfer crew. Unlock 3 new spectacular outfits. I think I saved up my keys. So, what's this? What the? Oh my gosh. Okay, we already got Scarlet as. Whoa. 30 keys. Alright, Manny has a new outfit, dude. Whoa. Zombie Jake does? What is that? Is it like Thursday? The series outfit. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Then we got Rosa, but I'm not gonna unlock her in today's video. What is new with the book? Oh, I can get the prickly. I'm going to get those in another video. So let's start off by unlocking Scarlet's. Let's do it. Get Mary Poppins, dude. Let's unlock Manny's luchador outfit. Yep, now time for Manny's that thing outfit. Let's go. Last and final one, dude. Oh my god. He looks so cool. He looks like the Joker clown. We've waited for an outfit for him for a long time. Alright, so I'm gonna use Zombie Jake. And I'm gonna use Hexed. You know, I'm gonna use that actually. That's a good combination. Check out the weekly hunt. 15 keys. Okay, let's do it. It's called. Whoa. This place is cool. Okay. I love Mexico. So I think this update is super, super cool. Guys, I have some bad news. For some reason, my Subway Surfers keeps crashing. I don't know why. And if this is happening to you, please, we could try to figure it out together because I don't know how to fix it. And, we could try to, you know, if this has happened to you and you know what to do, please comment down below, because, like, I'm out of options. Like, there goes, like, the only thing I really have left to do is delete the game and try to get my progress back, which is, no doubt, like, probably the riskiest thing I've ever done in Subway Surfers. So, I'm going to show you some footage from Mexico 2017, and maybe some from now Mexico 2019. So, watch out. Oh, look at the sky! Oh my gosh. Here's some footage from New Orleans, too. Let's hit buy. Come on, 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 come on.
creatures, like not robots, like those scary things that you see in the jetpack. Well, I just kind of think they're cool, kind of like Sea Owl and the robots. Even though I haven't been to Sea Owl yet, I've seen a bunch of videos. Get me my keys back. There. Whoa, who are you? Welcome to Halloween's. Have a happy Halloween. Explore the spooky subway's tracks. As you look for Eddie, unlock the scary vampire outfit. Prepare for Halloween scare. You up with Scarlet the Vampire. What? Whoa. Pumpkin. 50,000 coins. Yes! Where's she going? I thought in one of the animations she closed her umbrella on the back. Let's watch. This video is about the character.
Apparently, guys, that's all it's gonna do. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, I'll make one soon. OJ out.